Stay tuned to see how I created this resin pen set. This will be the molds that I'm using to create these pens. I, of course, got these off of Amazon. It comes with a set of 3. And then the great thing is that it comes with a lot of these ink inserts so that you can fill your pen. And they have a nice little snap-in feature where the resin won't get into the ink so that the pens will actually write. So the tip goes down into the end there, and then at the top of the mold there's a little rubber piece that will actually be like a little stopper, and that will go on the inside of the top of the pen. I found that feature really nice because it makes sure that you have a functional pen, and that's the little rubber piece that I just inserted into the ink. So you just insert all 3 of your inks into the molds, and here's a closer look of me inserting that little silicone piece into the end of the ink. Now comes the fun part, decorating. I added just some blue glitter for the first one. Then I added a little bit of mica powder. I was trying to get more of a concentrated color for the second one, but I don't think I added enough mica powder. And then a splash of yellow glitter. And then this one, I just added a couple more glitters. And here are the final product of my resin pen set. I think they came out really cute. I will be trying to make another set, playing around with adding more of the mica powder to make them not so transparent so that you can't actually see the ink inside of the pens. But for my first set, I think it came out really nicely. And I think that there would be some opportunities to decorate them a little bit more by maybe adding some gold paint to them, or even adding other decorative items inside the resin. And just in case you were wondering, yes, they do work. The other great thing about those ink inserts is that on the end, just like when you get most of your regular ballpoint pens, it has that little piece of like plastic on the end so that it preserves the tip of the pen. And again, these write very smoothly. The set that I got off of Amazon came with a ton of the ink inserts, so there are dozens and dozens of pens that I could actually potentially make. What colors would you guys like to see me do next for the pens? And would you like to see me do the pen sets on my Etsy shop? I'll be adding the link for you guys soon. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see them on Etsy. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I really appreciate you guys going along on this journey and still showing love with all of these resin projects. I am looking into doing some different DIYs for upcoming videos, but like I said, thanks for rocking with me through all of my resin creations. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment down below. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.